Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to install the electrical tailgate for Land Cruiser 300. Okay, let's start. Here's the parts inside the kit. This is the control box with the harness already installed. That's another harness. That's the front push switch button in the driver dash. This is the door handle switch button on the tailgate, and this is the power supply for the VX. The GX and the GXL has a little bit of difference. I will show you later in another video, but the main installation is the same. Here's the electrical latch. That's a 4 bracket. For the struts, that's 2 struts, one left, one right. Okay, let's start. Okay, the first step is to peel off the panels. Let's start. You do not need to remove this panel, just put it back. And now let's remove this panel. This panel, there's two clips, and there's clips here. We use a very strong, long flat screwdriver, and like this. Pry it a little bit, and then pull it. And also this thing, here's a clip. Here's a screwdriver. Yeah. This panel. Next step is we replace these 2 struts. Before we replace 2 struts, there's a very important thing. You need to use somebody to hold this tailgate, or use a ladder to support this tailgate, or anything else to prevent this tailgate falling down. This kit is very heavy, so when it fell down, it will hurt somebody else. So for me, I'm using this stick to hold it. Now let's move it. Now we install this bracket. Please note that's to the up arm. This is for the lower arm. Please note this is right. This is left. This is left. This is right. So the right is this side. The left is this side. And because there's a glues on these screws, so I would stretch still to the WD-40 to make it easier. The screwing. see this direction, do not install in wrong direction. You see this one going towards down. Same to the right, this thing towards down. Now next step is we clipping the struts. The struts has a here there's a right. Here's the right means this side. This is the left side. The left side, left, and this side. This stick. Okay, the next step is we remove this latch. We keep these 3 screws. So we take this latch, we press this locking tab and remove this one. And this is our latch. That's 3 white screws we already removed. If you need to remove it by yourself. And now we install this thing. That's one very important thing you need to double check. This is the latch. This is the locked position. This latch is locked, but it should be unlocked because the tailgate is not open. So there's a menu switch. This thing, you just push it. You see, this thing is unlocked. So we do it again. This is unlocked. You press. You make sure this is in unlocked position. Okay. The next step is we cut this rubber. So we peel it off. And we cut this rubber. Use a snipper. And also this side. And then we run. You can use insulation tape to to wrap this strut harness to this very long cable tie, and then run through this hole. we will go through here. Harness will go through here. So we run through it. It will be very easy. And pull it. And use something to push this back. Push this one. Just push it very, very hard. Push it very, very hard. And also this side. Also this hole. And push this in. If you think this is too hard to push this cover back, you can trim it a little bit. Okay, we finish that one. We remove the insulation tape. Remove this wrap. We just snip carefully, very carefully. Right. This one. And also remove this side. Do the same thing on this side. Remove this wrap as well. Now we add in the control box. There's a two plug, white housing plug. We take it out and we push it back. So on the top bottom, this is a thick red. You push it back, you will hear click, and there's a thick red. You will click, and a red as well. A red, you click, and yellow, click, orange. If you cannot hear click, you can use a screwdriver to help a little bit. Click, black, click. Yeah, everything is firm. You must hear the click. If you cannot hear the click, must something wrong. Okay, we do the same thing on this side as well. Thick red, thick black on the top two. There's a thick red, thick black. If you cannot push, use a screwdriver to help a little bit. And also here's the thin red, and the yellow one. And the orange orange one, and the black one. Let's hear the clip. Now we're going to install our control box. Next step is going to install the control box. Here we use this lock tape facing down, and we plug this two cable harness and the strut harness, going back that thing, and we place like this. That's two cable tie. With cable tie. Please see this one is, we leave this one empty, unplugged, nothing going to this plug. Now we cable tie this control box. A little bit. Yeah. Now if you are not high enough, you can gently pull down the gate a little bit. And then this one, clip, latch. Then the red one, oh no, sorry, the white one, clip. That's the one. You must see there's a little bit tape, and then push back, and then you go this side. You took off this black and put piggyback harness. We just remove this to let the cable run smaller, and push back, and then plug in piggyback harness. And there's a earth wire. Yeah, any empty hole, but you must hear a clip and firmly. Okay, generally you are already finished. Until now, we peel off the panels. We replace these two struts and run the cable through the tailgate and install the control module. Replace the latch. It would take around like 20 minutes, but I would say we already finished the most of the job. We are very close to finish. Okay, let's go to the next step. The next step, we are going to connect the power of the tailgate. Here's a small plastic bag. This is for VX. I will show you later how to for the jacks. We took out this plug from the back, and we remove this one. Remove this one on the left side. That should be this connector is what we are going to connect. We need to unplug this plug, disconnect this plug. So first of all, to get easy access to this plug, we need to unplug this, disconnect this plug. There's a locking tab. You see my thumb, locking tab. Press and pull it, and then use a screwdriver and depress the locking tab gently, very gently. You do not need very hard. Gently, and then use another hand. Use this hand to pull it out. Yeah, pull it out. And then please do remember to push this back. You must here clip. And now you connect the power plug to this one. You will hear a long beep, means the tailgate get power. Here there's a very little black and white plug. This is for the dual LED. If you didn't buy the dual LED, so don't worry about this one. Later I will show you how to use this one to install dual LED, but that's not related to the tailgate. Now we already connect the power. We already connect the power to the tailgate. Now we connect the switch to have a test. You see, a little bit far away. You see, we already finished. Not very 100% finished, but very close. Okay. Now we need to install this harness. This harness is for the remote and the button on the dash. That's why we remove this one. Still the very long flat screwdriver. If you open this one, you will see there's something like this. You will clip it, and here there's a blue cape, and under this one, pry it. Yeah, if you pry it, you will see in here, you will see this blue plug. This blue plug is here. You see, it's here. This blue plug. We just remove this one. Same thing. You feel the locking tab. Press it. And this is the harness. This is the harness. The piggyback harness. Just press it, and this way to push it back. Connect this connector. This connector is for the dual LED light for the LC300. And so if you buy it, I will show you later. If you didn't buy it, just leave it as it is. Then we run this cable. We run this very long cable. Go to the steering wheel. First we remove this panel. Very easy. Just pull it, and then we remove this panel. Just push it. This one as well. Just pull it. Push it. And this one. This one. And there's a locking ring. Just take it out. Take it out. And then this panel, just peel it off. And this panel, I can do it by one hand, so you can definitely do it by yourself. This one. And this panel, you can use a finger. A little bit far away. There'll be a finger like this. Just pull it. This little bit hard, need a little bit hard, but not too hard. And then you remove all the connectors. This one, we will install our front button this here or here. Let's go to back, and install the cable. We run the cable. Like here, we run the cable. Put a little bit behind the panel. And then we go to the side. Here's the harness. Around the cable. Yep. Cable. You push the cable through here. We need to remove. No, stay here. There. We need to run the cable like this. Now we need to disconnect this plug. It's just a very small screwdriver and push it. There's a locking tab, and on the bottom there's a locking tab. You just push it, and we go through here. You come here. You see? Yeah, that's the locking tab. Remove this one a little bit. You see, that's a big locking tab. You just turn and then take it out. Take maybe the needle thing, and find this side. There's the white cable with the purple strip. You pry this locking tab and pull it. And pull out this white plug, and here we have this one. You just press inside. You hear the clip. You press down this locking tab. You must press down this locking tab, and there's a purple cable. You put back to its original position. Do not push the other hole, and then you push it down and press down locking tab. And the last thing is we use cable tie. We use cable tie to. This is very important. It should be done very fast, but it's very important. We use cable tie. On this cable. Snipper. And then see here, we took it out and lock it, and then push. That's the very important, very easy job. Now we pick up the unlock signal. We'll go to the front. And here you must, because we have seatbelt, do not rubber in seatbelt. You need to use a cable tie. Use a cable tie. Use a cable tie to secure, bite this cable. And then put this cable under this two little bit thing, to this two thing, and then we go to the front. When we go to the front, we're going to install our front button here. So there's two locking tab. Use a screwdriver. Right, push it. Then we use this direction, push it. Yeah. Make it secure. And then this green plug is for our switch button. You just go under here and pull it out through this window. And there's for VX, this plug is unused, so you just like this. And see, there's a wide cable with purple strip. Yeah, clip it, and use the plier to squeeze it. And then you plug everything back. You plug everything back. Push everything back. Now we're done. We finish. Now we've finished everything for the tailgate. We're going to test all the functions. So we temporarily put here somewhere. It's falling down. So we press the button. And I will open as before. It's 3 times unlock. 1, 2, 3. The unlock button, always press the unlock button to open and close. 1, 2, 3. And down here, there's the front button. The front button, you press to close. But when you open, you need to press and hold. That's here. Here there's the unlock button on the driver side. It's the same to the unlock key. You press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. To open, to close, always 3 times unlock. Now we finished the test of the tailgate. So let's start over again. We peel off the panels. Replace the 2 struts, and run the cable through the tailgate. And we install the control box and replace the latch, and connect this picking up harness, and also connect the harness to the latch. Then we connect the power. If you do not need the remote control and do not need the dash button, you are done. This will be take like 20 or 30 minutes. If you want the remote control and the front button, you need to spend another maybe 15 minutes to run this behind this fabric. There's a blue plug, and run this cable, go to the front, and go to the front. We run the cable through here and here. We pick. There's a piggyback harness here on this plug, and we end the button on the front. And generally, that's all. That's the total installation. It's very easy. I think everybody can do it. Just maybe for the first time installer, maybe take 1 hour or maybe 1.5 hours. If I experience the installer, maybe only 40 minutes. If for the workshop or the dealer or trading, if you have 2 men, one do this job and one guy to run that one, we will finish in 30 minutes. The next step is I will show you how to install the dual LED light. It will take around like 10 10 or 20 minutes to install it. Okay, let's start. Okay, first we double check everything. This is the rubber pad for positioning, for making holes, and here's the screws. Here's the door handle switch. That's a 2LED light. That's for VX, and that's water hosing. Okay, let's start. We took out this rubber pad, and if you see this blue clip, that's the center position with this hole, and we go into like this, and then we like this, and because you see there's when you turn, there's a little bit line very close there, maybe half meter away, and then you first of all use counterclockwise, and then drill the hole counterclockwise. Please do remember. And then you push. When you feel you break through the fabric, and then use clockwise drill and drill through, and do not move the line pad. Same to counterclockwise, and then you finish. We use this LED light. This LED light to go through that one. Go through this hole. You pull it. And you take the take the screws and use this one. And you need a number 8 spanner, and go into here to screw this nut like this, and then it's nut. Okay, but next step is very important. This is, you see, this is not parallel to this end, not this parallel to this, and you just use like this. It's perfect. Then use a drill. First of all, counterclockwise. When you feel breaks through the fabric, then clockwise and drill the through. Took it out. And then install the nut. Yeah, this goes in. You see, there's a plug on this harness, and also we have this plug. You will see, you must put like this, and you will see blue go to the red, black to the black. Yeah, when you clip this one and press down the locking tab, and please do double check. It's blue to red, black to black. If you double confirm, then clip and push it back. Then we go to the tailgate panel. We took out this emergency cover. We have still use this locking tab to roughly position in the center. Then press it. Do not put your finger behind this hole, because then it will damage your finger. So just drill it, and then drill it. Then you need another bigger drill bit to enlarge this hole. To make it a little bit bigger. And then, because why to make it bigger? Because we need to run this plug. The same thing. We take a screw, and this thing. Take a washer, nuts. We use number 8 spanner. Yeah, the same thing, because like this, now it's too ugly. We just slowly, gently to make it center parallel each other. Then we hold. Do not put a finger behind this hole. Drill it. And then we put this in. And put washer, nut, tightened. Yeah. This is finished. For this light, we have amber and white for you to choose. The amber will less flies, less bugs. The white will give you more bright. Then with this one, the white to white, clip here, and then we goes to here. See, this one, and one, this one. Now the tailgate. If we take the last step is we install the power for the light, for the LED light. We install the power for the LED light. This is the power harness. So first of all, there's two. One way is that use your hand like this. Press it. Press this side. Another way, it's from outside. It's like this edge, like this. You took it out, and you press to out this one, and yes, this is piggyback harness. Plug this in. Now we need to pick up the power from, because you see this black whole thing, this thing on the top row, on the first row, in the middle wire, there's a a white wire with a gray strip. Looks like a gray. Looks like a gray. You pick up this wire to take it out. Yeah, this wire. This wire. We need this wire. The space is very limited, so I need patience. Okay, like this. And with the wire to squeeze it. Yeah. Then come back. Let's see LED light. You see that one? And you see this one. That one, two switch for the 2 LED light. And yeah, that's all. We already finished the installation. The last step is we put everything back. We use cable tie. Come here, I'll show you. We use the cable tie to make it neat and very tidy. Now you cable tie everything, make it looks very neat. And cable tie everything. Now when you put the big panel back, please make sure this door handle come from this side, from this hole, and this hole for LED light. Then you just clip in, like clip in, like this, clip in, like this, and then you clip in. Yeah. And you put this back. Yeah. Oh. Open. Test the 2 LED light. Here's the switch button. The light will automatically off when you see the light here. Yeah, it's off, and it will automatically on when the tailgate open. It's very handy during the night, this one. And I think you put all the front panel back to its position. So now we are finished. It's very easy, very easy installation now.